Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Form, and in this video we will learn what is the CQA. Many of you are not familiar with the term CQA. CQA is critical quality attribute and it is one of the most important term used in pharmaceutical manufacturing. So how CQA is defined? CQA is the physical, chemical, biological or microbiological property or characteristic of a product which must be controlled within defined range or limit to ensure the good quality product. In simple words, the good quality attributes or the required result of a product are known as critical quality attributes. Which guidelines deal with the critical quality attributes or CQAs? ICH guidelines Q8 and 21 CFR 610 deal with the critical quality attributes. For easy understanding, the critical process parameters are the inputs and critical quality attributes are the output. When we are working in pharmaceutical industry, our ultimate goal is to get the good quality product. We always want the results which must be within the range, and these results may be the physical, chemical or biological. If we take the example of chemical results, our ultimate goal for our product is to get its assay within the defined limit. So if we talk about the assay value, the assay value results will be the CQA of a specific product. So these are the outputs and inputs are the critical process parameters. If you are not aware what are the critical process parameters, the link of video is given in description. We will also discuss CQA with detailed practical example. So what is the importance of the critical quality attributes? Its importance is very high because CQAs ensure quality by design. As we discussed, CQAs are the output. So CQA or critical quality attributes are those quality attributes of the product which we cannot measure or determine when our process is not completed. So by ensuring quality by design phenomena, we ensure the quality of product. We define certain quality attributes of a product for each step, and then these quality attributes are measured by controlling the critical process parameters. Next one is the compliance. When we talk about the critical quality attributes, we are fulfilling the requirements of various regulatory bodies. Next one is that how to identify the critical quality attribute of a product. To identify the critical quality attribute of a product, first of all, we break our manufacturing process into various steps. Then at each step, we identify the critical quality attribute of a product. Then we carry out the risk assessment. We conduct the risk assessment by changing various variables which are known as critical process parameters and check that what is the impact of those variables on the quality attributes. Then those quality attributes which have high risk number are listed for our product, and these are focused during the manufacturing process. So how we get the resultant quality attributes? We get the resultant critical quality attributes by maintaining and controlling the critical process parameters. What is the example of quality attributes of a product? If we take the example of tablet compression process, then the critical quality attributes for the tablet at compression stage will be the hardness, friability, disintegration, dissolution, weight uniformity, content uniformity, average weight requirements, and assay value. These are all the critical quality attributes of the tablet compression process. So how these critical quality attributes will be met? by maintaining the critical process parameters. What are the critical process parameters of tablet compression? We have discussed it in our previous video. The link of video is given in description. Must watch those critical process parameters. In simple word, if we maintain critical process parameters of the tablet compression stage, our critical quality attributes are ultimately achieved. So it was all about the critical quality attributes. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment box. If you like the video, share it to others, subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.